At first, come over to gemini.google/students. Now you will see claim a free student plan where it gives you 400 GB of storage and Gemini Omni for 1 year. So claim a free student plan from your Gmail, and if you see the offer is not available for you, then you can try with your another Gmail or create a new Gmail, but you will get this offer. Now if you succeed to come over this page, here you can see all the details for that. No cost, you will get this Gemini or Google AI Pro for 12 months. So we will just click get student offer. Now it will ask for verify our student status. Now for country, you can choose um, Pakistan, Bangladesh. It's up to you, and give here any school name. So give here, if you think you have a student ID, you can go with this. And if you don't have any student ID or college ID, you know what to do. You can make one for yourself, or you can go to any of your cousins who are currently in school or college. You can grab their ID and make this one. And if you don't have any, then you can comment. I'll share a template with you. Okay. Now after you submit, you can say it will review. It may take 1 or 2 days and give email to you that verification is successful for your student offer. Now you just need to click here for continue, and it will take you to another page where you just need to add your dual currency card. It can be Visa card or MasterCard, and make sure you must include at least $1 to claim this offer for 12 months. I mean 1 year. Okay, it says no cost, but it take at least $1 as verification. It's for Pakistan or Bangladesh. It will take you $1 as just for the verification. Okay, and I just want to mention that you can also grab the 4 years opportunity for this with $5, $4.99. Maybe this one be the best for you. Now it will give you also anti-gravity access and many more features than the no cost one. So I will suggest you to go with the 4 year plan. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.